Welcome to Podcastify, where we share our daily algorithmic stock picks and trading insights designed for retail traders like you. What a thrilling day it is.
Absolutely. We're about to dive into some exciting picks. But before we jump in, let's remind our listeners, this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice.
Right on. Now let's get into today's top picks from our algorithm. Drumroll, please. We've got SPY MU showing some serious promise according to our model.
Yes, and for our new listeners out there, GCP Podcast uses advanced algorithms to sift through market data daily, identifying stocks with the strongest performance potential. It's like having a market crystal ball.
Exactly. Speaking of performance, let's recap how yesterday's picks fared. Both SPY and MU had solid gains. SPY was up an impressive 5.89%, while MU saw a climb of 2.1%. Just to put that into perspective, SPY managed a mere 0.65%, and QQQ only 0.94%.
That's phenomenal. And looking back over 5 days, SPY achieved a fantastic gain of 41.69%. Don't you just love that? Plus, AMD from that day increased by 19.28%. In comparison, was only up 2.2 point and QQQ just 3.89%. It's clear our picks were way ahead.
Absolutely. And if we rewind even further to 2 weeks ago, SPY stood out again with a 32.84% surge, while AMD climbed 19.66%. SPY and QQQ, not so much at 13.8% respectively.
So let's imagine someone implemented a strategic approach with those picks. They could have bought SPY right at market open with a smart 2% stop limit order to protect their downside.
Totally. That would have been a savvy move. Or perhaps they could have executed a cash-secured put on MU to collect some extra premium while waiting to enter the position. It's fantastic if it aligns with their risk appetite.
And we can't neglect the allure of using covered calls to generate income on held positions, especially if those stocks start moving favorably for them.
Right, but remember, what works really hinges on individual risk preferences and strategies.
For anyone eager to track our full performance history, don't forget to visit DougGreenCanvasPartners.com. Also, like, subscribe, and share our podcast with fellow traders. Let's grow this community.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We'll be back tomorrow with even more insightful picks and strategies to help you navigate the market.
Bye-bye.